Gw'Omugyenzi wa Speaker w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa wajwekire omwebembezi w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni aha kuziika kwa James Garuga yahaye obutumwa bw'okusaasira arikusiima Garuga ahabw'okukora kwetungura hamwe n'okutungura abandi.
The death of Mr. Garuga is a great loss to the nation, the people of Kanungu and all the business, political and agribusiness fraternity. We have lost him at a time when we needed his knowledge and experience. The late Garuga exhibited hard work during his lifetime, and his humanitarian gestures set him apart as a patriotic Ugandan.
Bigambo bye Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa yasiima Garuga ab'okukora omurimo gw'amaani amagara ge akamworora na munonga omu by'obushuubuzi.
Ekintu ekimwe ekinamwegireho n'okugira ngu bizinesi zeeye zikaba ziri purposeful and impactful. James akata kukora business ngwa yebese hayetungure business kuyabira banabara akashanga mutekuza kuyamba omuntu wa burijo akata kugiza
wayebemberamu mu mukoro gw'okushenekyeza Omugyenzi Right Reverend Onesmus Asimwe ori Bishop wa North Kigezi Diocese yashabineho okwataraho abandi nk'oku Garuga abaire naakora.
No, it's not my airstrip. It is for the people. It's for the community. That's how humble he was. He will be very hard to replace.
Obutumwa bw'obusaasi obw'omu butegeki abari Proscovia Salamu Musumba na General Mugisha Muntu bamusiima ab'okurwanirira demokrasiya kandi basha abantu kumureebera.
We are honored to have been part of his political family. We thank God. We thank you, peace, and the family. We thank the children. We thank the friends. We thank Kanungu. And we thank Lukunjiri and Chigezi for sharing James with us.
The project James yatandikire akatamwamanije akatamwe senteze ey'okutungura abantu omu region yonna.
Obutumwa bwa Dr. Kiza Besigye orukwebembera ekibiina kya People's Front for Freedom kandi munywani we obwashomwa Musumba Besigye yayoireko obusaasi ahabw'obutamuziika kandi yashaba kwemutwarize ye okuba ekyokureebera.
James was a visionary entrepreneur with a deep love for people, especially his community of Kanungu. He revived a dying tea industry, lifting the incomes of farmers. He pioneered other frontier projects to create jobs and opportunities for young people.
Okuruga ahabeeka ye abaana be bebembirwe John Musinguzi basiimisheho ahabw'okubeegyesa amazima kandi Dr. Peace Musinguzi yaita omu biturwa by'amagara okwongyera kufa arikugira ngu abanya-Uganda nibashashura emishoro. Ogu yagaruka yashoborera ku factory y'amajaani eya Garuga kegyeyombekera n'esente ze hamwe na looni atakwatirirweho gavumenti. Dr. James Musinguzi Garuga akazaarwa 1953 omuri Kihihi omu district ya Kanungu. Yashomera Kinkizi Primary School, Mbara High School, Makerere College School, bwanyuma yatunga Bachelor of Commerce okuruga Makerere University. Yatandika okukora kwe aha Ryan Textile Limited bwanyuma yegita aha Shell Uganda. Omwaka gwa 1998 akagaruka Makerere kushoma yatunga Bachelor of Laws degree.
Those in government and those on the ground, we should all rise up and demand to have a hospital that can really care for Ugandans. Because not everybody is Musinguzi Garuga who can afford to fly out for care, or one of the government ministers who get flown out at our taxpayers' money, by the way. And that tax is paid by all of us, even those who think they don't pay tax. We all pay tax because there's tax on fuel, there's tax on sugar, there's tax even on the hose.
Ogu akazombi obutegeki omwaka 2021 warikwesimba aha ntebe y'omunyeshengyero wa Kinkizi West ayisimbire na amama mbabazi kandi wanyuma y'akavuyo kabireho Garuga akasinga omukooti akaruga omu karuru yiciriza mama mbabazi okutwara entebe egi. Garuga n'omwe abatangire ekibiina kya Forum for Democratic Change arikushagika emirimo y'ekibiina akabahereza omwanya gwa ofisi ahari Naja Nankumbi kandi akajunaanizibwaho nawe eby'esente ebya Dr. Kiza Besigye omu campaign z'2021. Amakuru aga gashakwa Job Bapuri abwa Tayari West.
He was